Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it here, taking a look at the markets. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit, but staying within range. As we see here on CoinMarketCap, we see 102,500. But if we look on TradingView, we look at the charts, we see we're pretty much staying within that range, right? Like no clear breakout yet. You can actually even add another level of support here, multiple touches and multiple confirmations at this level as well, if you want to, right? You can see here from the daily, this is the range. Weekly, you can't see it as much, but the daily prints it out pretty good. So we see here, here's the level, staying in range. I definitely think everyone is bracing themselves for February, because typically, you guys know, like we said in the last video, I think it's like 8 or 10 out of the last 12 Februaries have been double-digit move to the upside for Bitcoin. So everyone's bracing themselves for that. February's right here. February is tomorrow, and you know everyone's ready for that. So that's something to pay attention to as well. But a lot of rejection here, which is kind of giving the bias that there's limited upside for Bitcoin, right? So I know a lot of people had the number of going to 250,000 this cycle, or going to 180, right? The thought is this might be a telltale sign that there's going to be limited upside, like Bitcoin may get to 120. I think a lot has to go wrong to limit Bitcoin's upside, especially when you see countries saying they want to have a Bitcoin strategic reserve, right? They're not saying any other crypto reserve, right? Right now, the notion has been we need a Bitcoin strategic reserve to see the value of the asset. So I think limited upside right now really doesn't align with what we're thinking. So definitely take a look at that. We've been getting a lot of questions about altcoins, right? Everyone's worried about altcoins. We did post this comparing something we found online, comparing 2017 and 2021 altcoin seasons, right? January seems to historically be fairly flat, fairly low, right? And the same thing happened with this January. It was a big pump in December, right? December, we got a big pump. As you can see right here, we got this big pump and it pulled back most of January, but it's aligned with everything else. So 2025 altcoin season, it's being said that February is the time historically. That's what we see, right? And why do we see that? You have tax season, so people get tax refunds, right? And now they want to dump more money into crypto, right? So we see that. That's what historically we see. And there's a variety of other reasons. You have people that are going into a new fiscal year, right? Fiscal year in some companies ends the end of January. It doesn't end in December. It ends in January from an accounting perspective. So that also plays a part. So a ton of reasons, but historically this is what we see. And so I think the fact that people are selling their crypto right now, just because January has been a little flat, or pulling back a little bit, I definitely think you need to look at the historical patterns and what has happened historically. Embrace yourself, guys. I know people that have made some moves and took some losses out of fear. Guys, look at the history. Like, history does not always repeat itself, but oftentimes it does rhyme. It may not be pound for pound, it might not be exact, but most times it is similar. So that's what we're waiting for here in altcoin season, guys. And wanted to talk about meme coin, right? So a lot of people are asking us about meme coin plays, right? And our stance on meme coins is, yes, you can make a ton of money. Meme coins aren't going anywhere. You can make a ton of money, but I definitely think it's important to have your foundational stack of projects already before you dive into meme coins, right? There's people that go straight to meme coins. That's all they do. That's just not what we do. Taking a look here at Musket. Musket is something I saw. We found this. It's out of Dubai, I believe. Dubai, United Arabs, January 31st, 2025, Chainwire. So this is an article following a recent article, Fortune magazine. Musket has sparked speculation as a breakout meme coin, driven by its undeniable ties to the Musk family. While Elon Musk hasn't officially endorsed the token, history suggests that when he does, this can result in an explosion. So they're banking on this. So exploring Musk's connection. So Errol Musk embraced the crypto project, right? He hasn't officially commented on Musk yet. Elon hasn't commented on Musk, but his father has embraced the project. The connection alone fuels speculation that Elon and Kimball could be paying attention. After all, there's one thing about crypto the crypto world knows is that Elon moves markets, and anything remotely tied to his name has explosive potential. And so definitely something cool that I saw. You guys know where I stand with meme coins. Meme coins, at least I would say the 2 cycles ago, not this cycle, not this past cycle, but the cycle in 2017, 2018, our stance was really like, no, meme coins, you might hear them as shit coins, right? They say meme coins, don't touch them, they're scams, they're scammy. But now it's really coming to find out that meme coins are exactly what they are, right? There's something fun. There's something that the community moves. And to be honest with you, and oftentimes it's more transparent than some of these other projects, because at least with a meme coin in that category, you know what you're going to get, or you know the potential, right? Like there's no sugarcoating, you know the potential. With some of these other projects, you think you're getting like this next layer one that has all these TPSs and just fail, whether it's fail with adoption, or if the tech is good, they fail with just marketing, right? So at least meme coins in some regard could be seen as safer because you know what you're gonna get. Like, you know, coming in that it's a meme coin, right? Versus you investing in a layer 2 and it turns out that it wasn't as legit as you thought, right? Which can happen with anything, but at least meme coins, you know what to expect. So taking a look here at the full project here, you can actually take a look at the price as well on Coin Market Cap. So seeing Musk at 3 cents, you guys know that if Musk endorses it, if Elon Musk endorses this project and stamps this project, I don't see why it wouldn't go to $1 plus. Taking a look at the tokenomics a little bit, you can see that there's a ton of opportunity here. $1 billion in max supply. Total supply is $1 billion as well. Current market cap is only 37.92. Okay, only 37.92. So we'll see. Now they're saying that Elon Musk's father stamps it already. All right, we're seeing that. And like I said, with memes, you know what you're getting into. So you see here, this is a website here. It's a very cool website. And, they share the token info, pointing you right back to Coin Market Cap, guys. So just something real cool to check out. I mean, it's one of those things that, the website is not even live yet. So it's pretty early. So it's one of those things that, like, if it hits, it hits. If it hits, it's going to hit, right? So even taking a look at what Melania did and Trump token did, I think Trump was in like the top 20 at one point. I think it was like at least top 30, I believe. Going to Trump, official Trump, it was 29. So yeah, it was definitely in the top 20 at one point. And the market cap of 5.6 billion. And I know that was higher. That definitely was higher before it started falling off a cliff, right? It pumped up all the way up to about $80. It's crazy. But it started off the gate a little bit lower. So, I mean, if he stamps it and if it goes crazy, I mean, that is an opportunity, guys. It is an opportunity. We'll see. I don't know if we're going to take a swing at it, but we'll see. I definitely wanted to just kind of give you a comparison. Something that we noticed that's trending and has some potential, right? So it already shot up to 20 cents yesterday. Shot up to 20 cents, been pulling back down to 3. So we'll see. We'll definitely keep you guys updated on what we think. It is running on the Solana blockchain as well. So, but just something that we saw interest in, and we thought it looked pretty interesting. So you can take a look at their Twitter as well. Looking at their Twitter, we see just Musket, and honestly, it's really one of those plays that, like, if it hits, it's gonna hit. right? So if $3,000 gets you about 100,000 tokens. If it hits for $5, let's say it goes to $5, you just made 500 grand. And that's possible, as we've seen, because Trump token only had 999 million total supply, right? Going off of supply, Musket has a billion, right? From my I think we just saw a billion, right? A billion, so not too far off, right? And if it hits, it's definitely something to pay attention to, guys. So definitely gonna take a look at this, guys. Kind of interested. Looks to monetize his famous name, Musket meme coin. I'm meme coin. I'm the head of the family. Here he says. So his dad's affiliated with it. So we'll see if that happens, guys. So take a look here at him talking about the meme coin, and we'll see what happens. Guys. I definitely noticed it, and I think that there could be some potential. It's not even on major exchanges yet either. It's still on MEXC. You guys know if it's on MEXC, it's probably opportunity for growth. Typically MEXC and Radium and BingX, those are kind of smaller exchanges, to where if they get listed on big ones, you already know what's going to happen. Explode. It's going to explode. So take a look at that, guys. Definitely wanted to highlight that and go over a little bit of a market update, guys. You see the markets. We go to crypto bubbles. We see that, for the month, most projects for the month are red. Most. Okay. So that means that January was the time for accumulation. January was the time to pack your bags, right? You got virtual solid project pull back for the month 54%. Okay, so there's opportunity, guys, for sure. So definitely wanted to highlight that, guys. Take a look at these markets, guys. Very excited for February. Think February is going to kill it. Historically, the odds are in our favor. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.